What it do, YouTube? Back in another video. So, I'm not here to waste too much time. This is the trade we caught on President's Day of Monday 16th, and it caught us around what, 90 points? I did this already, but how much is that? Like 90 points, yeah, 86, whatever. But so I'm gonna teach you guys how I caught this, what I did to catch it, and how good my risk management is to stay in this fucking trade on a bank holiday. So, start off, rule number one, we'll even we'll bring this to the side actually. No, that's November. Here. Okay. So number one, excuse me. So mark out draw liquidity on the 1 hour and 4 hour. So that's what we did here, right? So we're gonna not speed run this, but we're gonna go over this pretty concisely so all you guys can understand. So obviously we have this one right here. I already marked some of this stuff out, so it's gonna be just me overlapping it. So we have the strong liquidity here, this strong draw liquidity here, and this strong draw liquidity here, right? That have not been taken out. So obviously we see that. And I mean, honestly, we'll go back to it. You could obviously mark this fair value gap right here too, because it broke through it. But for this video, we're not gonna do that. But wrong button. So now let's go on the 1 hour. Obviously, step two, we mark our standard deviation. Okay. Should probably write that down for y'all. Excuse me. Align standard deviation with TDL or true day open. All right, true day open, which we did here. Did it from the, I'll do it again. We did it from 12 a.m. candle, which is 00 in military time. So to the manipulation leg. If y'all don't know what a manipulation leg, excuse me, then it would be the upwards candle or the downwards candle of the previous, right? And obviously we did it, what's in it is a order block aligned with a fair value gap that we marked on the lower time frame. So after we finish that, we can scale down to the 15-minute or 5 minute. It doesn't really matter. And if you guys are, this is a new indicator that I didn't have in my last video. So if you guys want this, this is market profiles by Joshua. And here's all the settings. I didn't really touch anything, but other than that, here's it. All right. So like I said before, scale down and we see this order block right here aligned with this fair value gap. Honestly, you could say this is a unicorn model because it did play out if you guys do or trade that ICT model, but you could have got a re-entry here, but we'll even scroll down to the 5 minute. And coming into the, okay, yeah, so coming into the 1 minute here, you also align your standard deviation, these settings, obviously. Wait, did I hit the wrong button? Yeah, okay. I wanted to see liquidity down here get taken out. I think it's already marked. Yeah, I want to see liquidity down here get taken out. Some of you guys that I've seen who took the trade prior to me were looking for longs. In this sense, why would we be looking for longs if not only did we not tap into a high time frame PD array on the high time frame, which is this, to rally up higher? I feel like some of you guys have problem finding bias, which I should do a video on bias, to be honest. But regardless, that is a different time for a different video. But like I said before, we can mark our standard deviation with the high of this and the manipulation leg all the way down here. And what does price do? If I can zoom in because I can't even see the wicks. What does price do? Before we get the entry, we have a fair value gap that got disrespected, or got respected, excuse me, that rallied up lower, rallied down lower, excuse me, targeting what? this, this, you could say this, and obviously this inverse right here, all the smack. In this trade, I didn't, if you've seen it on TikTok, I didn't go break even. I mean, I didn't trim my stop loss, I just let it run. But regardless, this is the trade that caught me 90 points. My model is textbook. I don't overthink it. There's no hidden secrets. There's nothing. If you trade MMXM aligned with standard deviation, then you're good. You're set. That's all you have to do to be profitable. You don't need some crazy strategy where you need to be doing everything on every time frame. If you just trade with any sense of like hindsight of what's going on in the market and trade with discretion, I promise you'll be profitable. I've been doing this for 3 years. I know what I'm saying. So the best thing you can do is take advice for someone who knows. But this is the vid. This was supposed to come out a little bit earlier, but regardless. So I do have an announcement to make that will be coming out in the next video because I will be doing a giveaway. I kind of just leaked it, but I'll be doing a giveaway with Alpha Futures. I'm now a partner. So if you want to use code Warrior for 20% off, then by all means, get you get you funded and get me paid, you know what I mean? So thank you for listening. I'll be coming out with another trade recap soon. I should have done another trade recap prior to that. I think the trade I took Friday. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna find that. But nonetheless, thank you for listening. And this video will be posted on somewhat tonight. Thank you.